This is a 13 on your side weather update.
Very windy across West Michigan today. Winds gusting to 35 plus miles per hour. Pile those waves up along Lake Michigan. What's ahead for your Thursday? Will it be less windy? Will it be as hot? 13 weather ball is green. No change to the warm and humid weather pattern foreseen for one more day. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Here's Frankie, Matt, Mart, and Diane. If you want to take Frankie out for a walk, it will be pleasant this evening. A little windy yet. Make sure he's on a leash so he doesn't blow away there. Just kidding. Giving you a green paw this evening and in the morning as well. It'll be more comfortable temperatures. Not as warm as they were this morning, only in the low 70s. Tomorrow, even more sunshine than today. 9.0 out of a 10-point scale to create the green energy and electricity from the sun alone. Not quite as much wind here tomorrow. Certainly was a windy day today, not quite as windy. Had a cold front go through this morning. You might have woken up to a rumble of thunder, especially northeast Kent County, where there was about a quarter to a third of an inch of rain. But the active weather has moved out of the state of Michigan, and we didn't see any here in West Michigan. But a cold front has gone through that's dropped our dew points, and it's also dropped our temperatures from early this afternoon. And once that low gets a little bit further away, our winds will drop as well. In terms of our hour-by-hour forecast, we're going to see generally partly cloudy skies here this evening, and then mostly sunny throughout the day tomorrow. There's about a 5% chance there could be a pop-up shower tomorrow afternoon, but pretty much clear and dry until Saturday night. That's when our next best chance for showers will come through the area. Otherwise, in the meantime, it'll just stay sunny and dry. This is getting closer to the weekend. You can see sunshine during the day Friday, and most of Saturday will be sunny to start, but the high clouds will come in late in the day, and there's going to be a very large shower and thunderstorm complex that comes through very late Saturday into Saturday night. That's when most of our rain will fall. We could see about a half to 3/4 of an inch of rain. Could use a little bit. It certainly has been dry in most areas so far this month of July. Long range outlook from the 28th of July through the 3rd of August. During that 1 week period, we have high chances for warmer than average readings in our portion of the country. And in terms of rainfall, looks like the storm track is going to be a little bit further to our south. So we'll see pretty much an equal chance of more or less rainfall during that 7-day period. Forecast then for tonight, skies will become clear. It'll be more comfortable than this morning's mid-70s for lows. It'll be in the mid-60s Ludington and Hart, around 70 in Muskegon and Holland, 69 there in South Haven. Northern part of our viewing area, it'll be dropping down to around 66 to 68. Still probably going to have that air conditioning on and maybe a ceiling fan because it is still going to be just a tad bit humid. And winds will be diminishing this evening, but in the meantime, breezy for the next few hours until the sun goes down there at 9:15. Overnight lows in the upper 60s to around 70. 13 on your side forecast. Still humid on your Thursday. The humidity leaves briefly on Friday as we hit 89. Going to bump it up to 92 now on Saturday because the rain is not coming until Saturday night. So all day it'll just become cloudy, still humid, and then those showers will depart on Sunday. That'll be around 80 for a high. And then next week, the only humid day with a chance of showers and thunderstorms comes on Wednesday. Otherwise, temperatures will be fairly seasonable all the way into the following weekend.
Warm but windy, but seeing our reporters out on the lakeshore, it really does look pretty today.
As long as you don't go in the water with those high waves. It was nice to watch the waves, maybe from the beach though.
Great idea.
Always great to watch the board guys and the kite surfers out there, isn't
yeah.
it? Mm-hmm. Absolutely, but you got to stay out of the water for a few more hours until that beach hazard alert expires at 8 o'clock. At least that's the current trend. 13 weather ball tonight is green. No change to the warm and humid weather pattern foreseen, although tomorrow won't feel quite as hot as it did today. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Low and mid 80s up north and along the lakeshore. We climbed to 89 before the cold front went through, and that's really dropped our dew points and temperatures at this hour to not quite so high. We forecast 87 for today, within 3 degrees of our forecast high. After a bullseye yesterday, we've done 3 degrees or less in the past 5 days. With the hot temperatures the last 3 days, we've climbed to nearly average for our July temperatures through today, but we could use some rain. A couple of spots got some rain, northeastern Kent County, but We are about 1.33 inches below average with a trace out at the airport this morning. 19% less sunshine than usual. Earlier this afternoon, there was a severe thunderstorm watch over in the southeastern part of the state that's still in effect for portions of Ohio. But for us, we didn't see any severe weather as anticipated. As that low pressure system moves on away from the area, our winds are going to be diminishing this evening. Still, the chances of rain over the next 24 hours are not to zero, but generally clear skies tonight and generally mostly sunny tomorrow. Models are trying to print out an isolated shower. This is around 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. We'll have to wait and see if that happens. If you get one of those, you could be lucky or unlucky depending on your point of view. Really no significant chances for any rain until now Saturday night. Hour by hour here on Friday, lots of sunshine as well. On Saturday, we'll see an increase to our cloud cover after a sunny start to the day. We're now pushing the showers back into Saturday night because it's taking a little longer. But these could be some stronger storms coming on through, but that's our best chance for seeing any meaningful rain in our area. And speaking of meaningful rain, this is all Saturday night through Sunday morning before it moves on out. Anywhere from 1/2 inch to maybe a little bit over an inch. And we could certainly use that. It's been dry here in West Michigan. Forecast then for tomorrow, I'll look for mostly sunny skies, around 80 to 82 in the northern sections of the lakeshore zone. Mid-80s from Muskegon and Holland southward. That's very close to where you were for highs today. Up north, you may be a degree or two cooler than you were today. Mid-80s under lots of sunshine. Winds will still be a little bit brisk out of the west, but not as strong as they have been. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll be a couple of degrees cooler than our highs today, but humidity levels will stay quite high. Lots of sunshine until maybe late in the day when there could be that pop-up shower. 13 on your side forecast. Very warm, if not hot again on Saturday. We bumped Saturday's temperature to 92 because the rain is going to hold off until Saturday night, and then it will end on Sunday morning. We'll only be around 80 as it stays mostly cloudy Sunday. 82 Monday, 81 Tuesday. Both of those days will be dry. Briefly more humid with another pretty good chance of some showers and storms next Wednesday, and then seasonable weather for Thursday into the following weekend.